Hello everyone. Today I've got Shreya with me. Hello Shreya.
Hi ma'am.
Yeah, and Shreya has cleared Editorialist YX. Okay. Now this company has got something to do with fashion and technology, and Shreya is very keen on that. And the best thing is Shreya has applied for this company on her own through LinkedIn. So I am very excited to know more about how does she go about, because many times students are not very clear how they can go and approach a company through LinkedIn. So Shreya, would you please tell us first of all, what is the role that you're getting and what is the package and
Yeah, sure ma'am. Glad to share my experience.
Yes.
First thing is I'm keen into fashion and technology. My journey started when I was in school. I was loving styling. I love to experiment with clothes. The thing is I had passion towards it, but I was not sure whether I should continue with it or not. Then I had when I went to PUC, I took PCMC. Then I had love towards technology. I was very good with C++. Then I was mixed up. Then I was okay, I want to continue with technology itself. Then I've joined Sahyadri College, and I'm happy that I've joined this college. Then I have took information science again with technology. What happened was one fine day we had got a call from Infosys Limited. There ma'am we had an audition for fashion modeling. I was okay, let me give it a try. Even my friends were just give it a try. I just gave my audition and I was okay, let's see. There was a huge line, but I was not sure. The thing was hopefully I got selected. Then I went to Infosys. That was a group event. A group got selected there. Then I was okay, I have love towards fashion and I have technology also. I don't know what to do with that. Then okay, then let's proceed with technology only. Then I don't know how to approach companies and all that. Then what happened was I had there was one more event from NITK Surathkal. That was a fashion designing event and modeling as well. There what I had to do was I had to design a dress attire made up of newspaper.
Okay.
That was okay, that was I would love to do that, but I didn't have an idea. I didn't do any fashion course and all that, but I was let me give it a try.
Okay.
It all went with let me give it a try.
All right.
Then what did I do was I had done a creative design. Initially I was I had a huge paper, this bundle of newspaper, and I was sitting like this. I had no clue what to do with that. I was just experimenting. The design was such beautiful. I had got lots of comment for that design. Then the crowd was oh god, that the huge cheer up. That was Shreya, this design is awesome. Go to this field. But I just do wanted to live technology also.
So then how did it how did you apply?
Yeah, okay. So coming to applying to the companies, I was not sure which role I have to apply, because designing I can't go. I want technology also. How should I mix up? Because the main question mark was, if I say to a company I want to grow my career in fashion technology, they were okay, do you want fashion designing? I was no, not fashion designing. Do you want a graphic designer role Cloth 3D? That's a software, Cloth 3D. You want to grow in that field? I was no. I was not sure. I wanted that thing that extra attracts me, but I was not sure. Then one fine day what happened was I was going through Internshala portal, that getting an internship from Internshala was a big deal that time. Huge applications will be there, and the job vacations will be very less. So what was I had applied through it. There will be two questions, what will if we hire you, what we had to explain it, why should we hire you and all that. I have answered the question.
This is talking about your Internshala internship. Okay.
So that was the main, through that only I got into I got an idea how can I approach companies. After that I have got shortlisted there. My resume got shortlisted. I got a call from HR that you have one more round. There they have sent me a document where I had to answer some questions. They asked me they have given me a problem statement. They have told me how will you approach this question, how will you solve, make a technical layout. I have sent them two technical layout, one of my personal experience and another one was according to their problem statement, and answer all the questions perfectly. Then I've sent my document, I've mailed them. Then after that, I have done my best, but the thing was like the applicants were huge, and I was like, I'm from technology as well, like where it's related to fashion and tech. But I had done a project, my project name was Fashion Model Database Management System. So somewhere it was relatable.
Okay.
So I have sent the document also.
So this is all about your internship.
Okay.
So even you got an internship based on fashion.
Fashion, yeah. After that, there was a test. I mean, like the document I had to prepare. I had to answer all those questions. Again, I cleared that round as well. Then I got call from, finally, yeah, HR, the founder called me that you have been selected and you can start to work from like next day. Then there I was like, oh, it was like the designation was machine learning internship. Exactly what I wanted, the technology and the fashion thing. I was keen into learning all that stuff. But initially I was not into the, I had to have lots of US fashion knowledge there. The thing was like I had to deal with lots of fashion stylists were there. They were helping me. Then I got lots of fashion knowledge. I initially had to work on data scraping. The next level I got promoted to work on data annotation. Data annotation in the sense like we had to tag all the data, we have to go through all the attires and we had to tag all the attire. Then based on that I had to train the model. After that I had got promoted as a mentor. I had to handle all my new interns. I had to teach them.
Wow.
I had to handle meetings and
so how long did that internship last?
Internship was like, actually it's 3 months, but they've considered from 15 to 15. That's why, so it's 2 months.
All right. So now you tell us, how did you approach through to this company?
Groom company.
Yes.
Yeah. Groom company. Yeah. It was like. Groom company.
Not groom. Not talking about internship now.
But
so we need to.
Yes. LinkedIn. Okay. So I had got a basic idea like what I wanted. Then what I was doing was I went through LinkedIn. I had no clue how to apply to companies. I had zero knowledge on that. What I thought was like, okay, if I have a profile on LinkedIn, I will get a job. That was a basic misconception. Like usually most of the people I had the same. Then I used to get suggestions like there are job openings, but they used to ask 8 years experience, 4 years experience, because I'm a fresher, I didn't have any experience. Then what I used to do, like I wanted fashion tech companies. I used to write fashion tech. Then all the companies used to appear. The problem was like experience part. Then I tried hashtags. I tried like hashtag fashion, hashtag analyst, hashtag all possible hashtag. I tried all possible hashtags where fashion tech is involved. Then some companies used to like appear in search. After that, what I used to do, like per day, I used to send 15 to 30 requests to all company employees and HRs.
Wow, every day.
Every day I used to do that because this is what I wanted to buy. Badly, I wanted to go to the fashion tech company itself. I used to do it every day because if you want to crack a one opportunity, I had to knock 100 doors. Only one door will open.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing. And that thing I got the idea from my internship also. There I didn't get directly into groom company. I had to knock 100 doors. Only one door will open. That's the same logic I applied here also. 15 to 30 I used to talk. What I had to do is like I have to apply for the companies also. I have to talk with people like who work in that company, like which technologies they work. So I used to send them like greeting and what like I'm from which college and what I'm doing final year and I'm into fashion tech. In case if you have any roles open, I'm open to it. Please let me know in case if you have any openings. So some people used to like reply me back. Some they used to not see me. That usually happens because lots of requests they get. That's very important. Like we shouldn't stuck into one company and just apply to one company.
You have to apply to 100 and one door open. So finally, how did this happen?
That happened. When I put hashtag fashion, that editorials company had opened. Then I read the job description. I was like, okay, they have mentioned that's data annotation and image tagging. All that it deals with machine learning models. I was like, this is the same thing what I have done in
Shreya, I have to look at the camera.
This is the same thing which I have done in a groom company. So I was like, why not let me give it a try. But the condition was a bachelor's degree. Okay, I have a bachelor's degree, but preferably in fashion. But that was a preferable.
And you're in
path.
information science.
Information science, that was the biggest deal. Then what happened was like they have also written like in case if you have a US fashion market knowledge, that will be a biggest plus. I had that US fashion knowledge through my internship. I didn't see, I just applied through it. I didn't see right left. I just applied it. Then after applying, there was a huge applicant, like it's more than 74. I don't know, like more than 74 applicants were there. In that I was from information science, and all are from Delhi and all that, and the location is also Delhi, and I'm being a South Indian, I'm the only person who have applied. Then what happened was like I got a call from HR saying that okay, I have sent you, I have gone through your resume, so okay, I'll connect you, I'll conduct a meeting, schedule a meeting with Jude Richard sir. He's a former employee of Amazon. He also worked on operation management in Amazon. So first, I think this everyone must do whenever we have a meeting or whenever we have an interview with someone else. Go through their LinkedIn profile. Just have a look at it, because we'll get some idea like where did they work, like what basic idea. We'll get some basic, or else it will be like some interview. Like, will be scared, like it will be like what they might ask, and this is like fashion technology, what they might ask, like, there will be a huge lot of questions. So I have not left a single bit. I've gone through his profile.
Wow, so you did your homework
perfectly.
So there was no aptitude or anything. There was no interview.
There was like a next round as well. After that, I had an interview was scheduled. Then it was a technical interview. Interview. He asked me like introduce yourself. I have introduced myself. Then he told me like tell me something, your internship and project. Project I didn't focus because internship was somewhere relating. That's what he just wanted to know, because actually I have worked on MIC. That's what he wanted to know. I have explained bit to bit. I have told I've promoted to the next level. He was so impressed that within 2 months I got promoted so much level. Then he asked me how did you handle interns? That was okay sir. The handling intern was the thing is, most of my interns was from college going students, and some I was leading with the elder ones also who are married as well.
Okay.
So it was mixed crowd. So whenever they used to have exams, I had to divide the work in such a way that they shouldn't mess up with their exams and all that. That was and there was some kind of bond. I don't think so. Being a mentor, it's just to get the job done. Being emotionally connected matters a lot. That's why when I completed my internship, that bond was still there. And what happened? I told everything. Then he was okay. Then he asked me some certain questions regarding to machine learning and how did you do data annotation, all that. Then he told okay fine, I'll tell this to HR. I'll let you know what's the next process. Then if I would clear on, then I'll go to the next level. Then what happened was I got a call from HR. You have cleared this interview. Okay. Then you'll be having a test. I don't know. That was what type of test? Is it aptitude? It's not aptitude. It's not coding. It's nothing. That was a surprise for me. I was not into that fashion. The test will be they have their own assessment tool. It's fashion, related to fashion only. So HR ma'am explained me see, the thing is we'll be having our own assessment tool. On the left hand side, all the attires will be displayed. On the right hand side, description of the attires will be described. You will be having a drop down box. In the test we had 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 will be of basic kind. Level 2 will be of bit higher kind. So level 1 was level 1 was 1 hour test. So level 1 I had to solve 100 questions, and level 2 I had to solve 50 questions. Total 150 questions in 60 minutes. So we should be quick, we have to analyze the attire, see the description, see the drop down box, click it, then go to the next. It was 100. I have to do fast. We shouldn't waste a single minute there. Then after clearing the level 1, we have to go to level 2. Then level 2 was same thing, attires will be be displayed, description will be there, but the level 2 there will be slight changes. We have to tag, we have to observe the attire properly. We have to see all possible things, like whether it, suppose if it is a like neckline type, we have to observe the neckline and the type of, whether it's a A-line, all that, or fashionable things.
So you know, we may be running a little short of time, so I just want to ask you, so you cleared the
test also,
and then what happened?
Then I had a HR round. HR round was like, personal interview, like introduce yourself, tell me about your family, and general things, like then.
So I just want to check, when you were doing this, you were talking about the dresses and all that. So you had the idea because you were interested. So
I was interested, because
that's why that helped you.
that helped me a lot, and my internship also helped me a lot.
Okay.
And then
in the technical
round?
technical you finished, and in the HR.
Yeah, HR same thing, personal interview, general questions.
Yes.
Then I had a technical interview, same thing.
Again a technical
interview.
Right.
That was technical interview held by in that technical interview I had to speak on my project, this one project and internship. He's from IT Delhi. He's a head of engineering, so he asked me, he did lot of technical questions only. So I've cleared that, so I've got a call that you have been shortlisted. That was a huge thing.
And you're also getting an internship with the organization.
Then benefits are like, I'm getting a company laptop, and I am getting a chance to interact with a global level. Then I'm getting a medical insurance. Then after that, apprentice will be there, like after 1 year and all.
So what's your designation?
Designation is my catalog analyst. I have to deal with like technology and fashion.
I think this is the first time that we are having someone in campus to get into this. So what would be, if you could quickly, Shreya, tell any tip for the juniors or anyone who's looking out for a job, because you had so many companies in the college, but you were very fixed, no, I want this. So if someone wants something very particular, what should they do?
First, they have to like never give up on your dreams. Go to your LinkedIn profile, search like whatever profile it suits. Search, put all those hashtags or try all possible things. Reach out to people in that specific domain. Don't just focus on one company. Go to as I've already told, knock 100 doors. One door will open for sure. So just never give up. Just keep trying.
Okay, thanks you, Shreya, so much, and wishing you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
It's bye from all of us.